Jacob has worked tirelessly for his Uncle Laban for 20 years and is ready to return home. Laban is hesitant to let Jacob go, so a deal is struck to get Jacob to stay. Using the worksheet Jacob's Sheep Farming Business, students label and cross out sheep as Uncle Laban's deception is uncovered. Students color code Jacob's prayer to God in anticipation of his meeting with his estranged brother. Gifts Jacob sent in blue, words that show Jacob wanted peace in purple, what Esau did that alarmed Jacob in green, and what Jacob was afraid of in orange. The key phrase, "I shall see his face, perhaps he will accept me," is highlighted and noted. After an adult male willingly loses an arm wrestling match with one of your students, you discuss with the class how Jacob could wrestle with God and seemingly win, why Jacob demanded to be blessed, why his name is changed to Israel, and the implication of having his hip touched by his opponent, creating a lifelong injury. Students read Genesis 32 to fill in the worksheet, Jacob Jostles Jehovah by the Jabbok. Each student receives a set of Jacob Faces His Sphere game board pieces, representing 12 key people in this narrative, and place them on a large piece of paper, as Genesis 33 is read. The purpose of this exercise is to figure out why Jacob placed his wives, maidservants, and children in the order that he did, and to begin to understand why the other brothers would be jealous of Joseph. You will give 6 students Jesus, the Face of God verse cards. This exercise leads students through 6 key verses in the New Testament to discover that Jesus is the face of God.